Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your mobile plan allows tethering and that you have cellular data. Once done, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and toggle the hotspot on. Make sure the SSID and password are readable and check the band and device limit so clients can connect. If a problem appears, toggle airplane mode briefly to refresh radios, then re-enable the hotspot. This often clears transient network conflicts and gets your connections negotiating again. You now dig into detailed settings. Switch the hotspot band, use 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for better throughput and less interference, because many devices prefer one over the other. Make sure power saving and data saver are off so Android won't suspend connections. These can silently drop clients. Inspect the connected devices list and your carrier's tethering cap, and if you run a VPN, pause it temporarily because it can block traffic. Once configured, reconnect a client and watch throughput and stability. You finish by isolating and resolving persistent faults. Try a second client and, if available, USB tethering to determine whether the phone or client is at fault. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt configuration, then install any pending system or carrier updates. These often fix modem or tethering bugs. As a last resort, a factory reset will remove deep software issues. Troubleshooting tip: if hotspot still fails after these steps, contact your carrier to confirm tethering allows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.